नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम लोग क्लास 9th के ज्योग्राफी में लेसन नंबर 8 इंट्रोडक्शन टू इकोनॉमिक्स इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाय कर सकते हैं। यह है लेसन नंबर 8 इंट्रोडक्शन टू इकोनॉमिक्स, उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सप्लेन द टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स बाय फिलिंग करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन इन द प्लेस ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन द सर्कल। यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे ये सब जो लिखा हुआ है इसको हमने यहाँ पे इस तरीके से बना लिया है, इसको फिल करना है। क्या आएगा? कैपिटल इकोनॉमिक्स, जर्मनी, जापान, यूएसए, मैनेज्ड इन द प्राइवेट हैंड्स, अर्न मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट। सेकंड, मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी, इंडिया, स्वीडन, द यूनाइटेड किंगडम और यूके, को एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ प्राइवेट एंड पब्लिक सेक्टर, a balance between profit and service sector. Third, socialist economic, China and Russia, management in the hands of the government, achieve social welfare. Now next question. Question number 2, give an explanation. First, economic begins at home. The answer is first, the family finance is mainly related to income and expenditure. Second, income of the family is limited and its needs are infinite. Third, the head of the family is required to balance income and expenditure. Fourth, in order to strike a balance between income and expenditure, he decides preference for expenditure. Fifth, as we manage the finance of our family, similarly the villages or cities, states, countries, and the whole world needs to have economic management. Now next, second, India's economy is of mixed type. The answer is first, there is coexistence of the public sector and private sector in the Indian economy. Second, the ownership and management of means of production are divided between the government and the private individuals. Third, the private sector undertakes production for the profit motive, whereas the state tries to achieve social welfare. Fourth, in this way, we have the features of both the capitalist economy and the socialist economy. Therefore, it is said that India has mixed economy. Now next, third, on the basis of economies, we can divide countries into 3 groups. The answer is first, the enterprise related to the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services in a specific region is called economy. Second, the ownership and management of production is in the hands of private individuals in the country like Germany, Japan and the USA. This economy is known as capitalist economy. Third, the means of production belongs to the society as a whole and there is control of government over the economy in Russia and China. This economy is called socialist economy. Fourth, there is coexistence of the public and private sector in India, Sweden and the UK. This is called mixed economy. Thus, we can classify countries into 3 groups of the basis of their economy. Now next question. Question number 3. Write the following questions in one line. First, to which economic factor is the management of individual or family finance related? The answer is the management of individual or family finance is related to income and expenditure. Now next. Second, from which Greek word is the term economics derived? The answer is the term economics is derived from the Greek word oikonomia. Now next. Third, in capitalistic economy, to whom does the ownership and management of means of production belong? The answer is the ownership and management of means of production belong to the private individuals in the capitalist economy. Now next. Fourth, what do you mean by globalization? The answer is globalization means aligning the country's economy with the world economy. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 8 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।